Welcome back again, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to twist for beginners. If you're interested in this video, I know you stopped by to learn, and this is the video for you. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So I'm going to start by parting the section I'll be using for the twist. After that, I'm going to part the whole section into two. Remember, we are twisting, and I'm parting the section into two. Then I twist with my thumb and my index finger. I twist the two like I'm doing in this video. I twist down, I twist the two hands down. Then I place the right twist over my left thumb. Then I secure with my index, my middle finger, like you can see. I twist, place the right twist over my left thumb, and I secure with my middle finger. To continue twisting by placing the right twist over the left thumb and securing it with my middle finger. So you can see we have our twist done. So I'm going to repeat the same process to two more patterns so that you can watch and learn. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.